Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to give Robux to your friends without a group in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to be able to follow the steps. So for this to actually work, you need to open Roblox on the website and not on the app, as it doesn't work on the app. You cannot see these options. First is you need to log into your account, click on create, and go to creations. After you go to creations, you can see your experiences right here. Just have to click on one of those. I only have one, so I'm just gonna click one. Now click on the passes option right here on the left part of the screen, and you can actually see a lot of passes right here. So if you don't have one, you just have to create a pass, put a picture on that pass if you want to, put the name of the pass and description, and just click on create a pass. Now we're just gonna select an example that or a sample pass that I've already created. So let's say this one, click that one, just put in on sales, and or click on sales, click on this one, enable item for sale. Now you're just gonna put any price you want for the donation. Now just let's say 50 Robux. Now click on save changes. All right. Okay, and then the next thing that you must do is you need to open your Roblox application right here and search please donate. That game will be our next step for this video. So play the game called please donate right here, and see the gifts option right here on the left part of the screen, this one. Click on that one. Just put you just have to put your username and message to the person that you want to give a gift to. So by now we should be able to log in to that other account who is gonna give us a gift. So this should be their account and they should click a gift. After they click on gift, you should be logging into your account now. And after you log into your account, after you've finished the steps that I've just demonstrated earlier about creating a pass, you should be able to see that other account or that other friend's account here, or his stand, and you should be able to donate as many Robux as indicated on the stand. So right here, for example, this is your friend's stand right here, so you should be able to see that friend stand, and just click on that one, click buy Robux, and after that one it says successfully subscribe to the pass. And after that you should be able to click on gifts, and on this screen you should be able to see something that someone has a gift for you, and you should be able to receive that gift, and you just click on that one. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you understood this tutorial, and see you on the next video.